Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to create a Google Calendar for group. First, open your browser, then search for calendar.google.com. This type of interface will be visible after the search. Now click on this plus icon beside the other calendars. Then click on Create New Calendar. Now type the calendar name and description and select the time zone here. After typing name and description and selecting the time zone, click on Create Calendar. When this type of notification will show, that means your calendar was created. Now go back by click on this arrow icon. Here is your calendar. I created group calendar. You will find your calendar here. Now click on this three dot icon for share with groups. You will find setting and sharing option here. Click on setting and sharing. Now click on this checkbox. For share the calendar, click on get shareable link. If you copy this link and share with your friends and family, they can see your calendar. You can also invite people by click on add people. Add email or name here. I'm just typing a demo name or email here. They will get a notification in their mail that you shared a calendar with them. This is how you can create a Google Calendar for groups. If you find this video tutorial helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.